Good day, everyone. I'm Ajubobi Ifeanyi Precious, an expert in environmental biology and community health. And today I'll be talking on hepatitis. Yes, now hepatitis is a disease of the liver, also known as inflammation of the liver, and it's caused by the hepatitis virus. Now we have 5 kinds of hepatitis. We have the hepatitis A, which is caused by hepatitis A virus. We have the hepatitis B, which is caused by hepatitis B virus. We have the hepatitis C, which is caused by the hepatitis C virus, and we have the hepatitis D and E, and they are both caused by hepatitis D virus and hepatitis E virus. So each of those virus each of these hepatitis are caused by different strands of hepatitis virus. Now, each of those virus has the different means where you can get them, but in general, hepatitis virus can be contacted through fluids, through direct contact with already infected person, through blood, mother to child during delivery, and when you eat or ingest waste products by contaminated persons. Now, I'll be taking each of those viruses, single-handedly, and just throwing in some light on the viruses. But before we get there, let's talk about our liver. Yes, our liver is an organ in human body, and its importance cannot be overemphasized. The liver plays the role of processing nutrients. It plays the role of filtering the blood, which is one of the major things the liver does, and it also does what? It fights against infection. Now, for an organ that does this much, imagine when it's not functioning well, then it means the whole body system is in trouble. Now, if we can, just go back a little to the cell theory, where we say the cell makes the tissues makes the organ makes the organism. Now, if an organ is not functioning well, then it's obviously and definitely going to affect the organism as a whole. Now, having stated the importance of the liver, now let's look at when this liver is malfunctioning or when there's a problem with the liver, and that's what we're talking about, hepatitis. Now let's go into the details of hepatitis A, B, C, D, and E. Now, hepatitis A is caused by the hepatitis A virus, and this can be transmitted when food or water substances are being ingested that are already contaminated by an infected person. Now, hepatitis B is caused by hepatitis B virus, and this can be transmitted through vaginal secretions, through semen, through blood, through injections, and sharing of razor blade. Hepatitis C is caused by the hepatitis C virus, and this can be transmitted by direct contact with an infected person. Hepatitis D is caused by the hepatitis D virus, and this can be transmitted by direct contact with an infected blood. Hepatitis E is caused by the hepatitis E virus, and this is waterborne and can be transmitted when your water supply is contaminated. Now, what causes hepatitis? Just like I said when I talked about the different modes of transmission of hepatitis, I talked about the mother to child transmission. Now, the child can get infected by the mother during delivery. That's one cause of hepatitis, and there are some other causes of hepatitis, which includes heavy alcohol usage, toxins, some medications that we take, and some other medical conditions as well can lead you into having hepatitis, any of the hepatitis. Okay, let's recap on the mode of transmission of hepatitis. I said hepatitis can be transmitted from mother to child during delivery. It can be transmitted through direct contact, through fluid, through vaginal secretions, through semen, through saliva, through sharing of sharp objects. Sharing of sharp objects can increase your risk of being contaminated. Even eating waste products from an already infected person can also get you infected. So that's all for today on today's episode on public health issues. Join me as I continue this discussion on hepatitis next week. Thank you.